So as part of the financial side of any divorce process, evaluation or valuation of assets is the second key step after, of course, the identification of what the assets and income are in the case. Certain assets are not hard to value. A bank account, the value is what's in the account. A brokerage account, other than accounting potentially for embedded taxes or gains, not much different. On the other side of the spectrum, we have closely held businesses or ownership or profit participation interests in entities, hedge funds, or investment vehicles, which can become more complex to value. I'm a big picture guy, and broad strokes, any valuation, whether it's of a dry cleaner, of a restaurant, or of a carried interest in a hedge fund or a private equity fund, is what would a person pay today, given the rate of return in the market for their investment, to get that projected future income stream generated by the dry cleaner, by the restaurant, or by the investment position or ownership position in the hedge fund or private equity fund. We have extensive and solid relationships with forensic accountant and business valuation practitioners that we bring in on these issues. Any one of them will tell you, as will we, that valuation is part art and part science, because there are certain assumptions that need to be made. For example, what will the future income stream be that we are valuing to determine what would someone theoretically pay today for that annuity in the future coming back to them? And on that front, the forensic experts and valuators have to make professional calls, conclusions, and assumptions that we then work into our process. When done right and done the way we do it, after the process, this complex morass of financial issues, complexity, balance sheets, general ledgers, and whatnot becomes a number that we then can use in the negotiation of the divorce, just as if that dry cleaner, hedge fund, restaurant, closely held business was a number on a bank account statement. And at that point, division in the divorce becomes much more straightforward.